Hey guys, I'm Alexis Morgan. Welcome to another edition of Valvoline Under the Hood. We are in the garage and we are joined by Grizzlies power forward, Jarell Martin. Jarell, what is the first car that you've ever owned?
My first car was a Chevrolet Impala that it was from my sister, but she passed it down to me when I was a senior in high school.
Have you ever bought a car for anybody in your family?
Yeah, I bought my mom a car for Christmas last year, and I bought my sister a vehicle for her birthday this year.
Wow.
Yeah.
When you signed your first big NBA contract, did you go and buy a new car?
Yeah, I went and bought the gold G-Wagon. People see me around driving now. That was my first vehicle that I bought when I first got my check.
Thanks, Jarell, so much.
No problem.
And this has been another edition of Valvoline Under the Hood in the garage. See you down the road.